China's Golden Week holiday, one of the longest in the country, shows signs of slowing consumer spending despite a surge in domestic travel. Spending per person is down. Here's a closer look at what this means for China's economy. Chinese holidaymakers' average spending dipped to a 3-year low over this year's 8-day Golden Week holiday. Holidaymakers spend an average of 911 yuan, or about $113 per trip. This is a 0.55% drop from last year and the lowest since 2022. While domestic tourism revenue rose by 15%, the trend indicates consumers are staying cautious. Policymakers had hoped the stock market rally would encourage more spending. So far, the wealth effect has been limited and consumer demand remains muted. This year, this mid-autumn holiday was important as it coincided with Beijing's National Day holiday, which eventually resulted in longer break. A total of 888 million trips were made during Golden Week holiday, up from 765 million last year. Lower tier cities saw the most demand as people opted for short-haul, high-value trips. Hotels in the budget and mid-range segments are most popular. This shift shows travelers are still cautious and focusing on cost-effective options. The recovery in long-haul travel did little to drive extra spending. China's box office, usually a holiday winner, struggled this year. Earnings dropped 12.8% from last year's 7-day holiday. Compared with 2023, revenue fell almost one-third. Consumers are skipping cinema visits, prefer short videos or budget-friendly activities. This reflects a broader trend of conservative spending despite rising stock prices. The slow spending signals potential headwinds for China's economy. Weak consumption, combined with pressures in the property sector and job security concerns, could slow GDP growth in the coming quarters. Policymakers face the challenge of boosting domestic demand without relying on financial markets alone to drive China's economy.